Alright boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. We're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses in the description below. Go get involved with that. And also finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below in the description as well, or send me an email. And we'll get you hooked up with one of those. It's been amazing for buying the dips on a lot of these altcoins that have been getting smashed recently, because I've just been making consistent profits outside of crypto that I've just been using to basically average into the markets for the long term on cryptos that I think are going to do well. I mean, my goodness me, Polygon is so down from its all-time high right now, and it's been crazy overextended to the downside. It's looking really juicy, isn't it? It's looking juicy for me. I always like to think when I look at charts, the main thing that I think is, what's the chance of it going up? What's the chance of it going down? And the further that these things drop, especially considering we are in a bull market, in my opinion, we are going to be in a bull market extremely nicely for altcoins soon, in my opinion as well. I think people are selling their altcoins prematurely, thinking, oh no, we're going into a bearish period in the market and then we're going to get a huge reversal. In my opinion, there's more chance of Polygon going up than going down, so I've been averaging into a position for the long term, just a spot holding and just holding and waiting. This is basically the joy of having a passive income outside of crypto, because you're not reliant on crypto prices going up to make money. You just continue to average in basically until you win eventually. And I do think these are cryptos that are going to at least come up and test their all-time highs again, which would be a nice, very nice move up here. Almost a 10x really from the current price. As you can see, we're sitting at around 45 cents. I think there's a massive helicopter outside my house. I think it might be a Chinook. But as you can see, we are basically in this local area for Polygon then, having a nice reversal off of this low, potentially forming this W double bottom pattern. After coming wicking down and touching these lows down here in and around that 33-cent level, I would say we are coming up, as I said in my previous videos, to this resistance that we do need to see being broken. I do think we could start to see this inverse head and shoulders type pattern for Polygon, in my opinion. If we do see some more bullishness in the market for Bitcoin, we could see ourselves breaking through the resistance, back testing this area, coming up to this resistance at the 0.23 Fibonacci here. As you can see, we lost this as support, retested as resistance. Could be forming this inverse head and shoulders type pattern like this. Back test, continue, and then reverse the trend to the upside. Right now we're just chilling and waiting for Bitcoin to lead us up.